All right, gang. Right here, we have quite possibly the best watch for the price in the world. I got this off of Amazon for $104. Did I use an Amazon gift card? I absolutely did. This is the Seiko model SNXS79. Okay. Comes with some instructions. Nice little Seiko box. 104 bucks. Falling all over the place. Alright. So, bunch of wrapping. That's it. This is the Seiko SNXS79K. So this is the best cheap automatic watch, legitimately automatic, that you can buy. Looks like Amazon put a little warning on here for if the strap is tampered, you cannot return. Okay, I'm gonna take my Garmin off real quick and just show you what it would look like on the wrist here. And that's it. Watch is awesome.